Hey everybody, this is my second wood stove video and I've made some changes since the last time, so I'd like to show you everything about it. Basically a lot of the parts you can get online either through Northline tool or Northern tool, such as the door, the burners on top, the leg kit, and the stack opening. Let me take her out to the back of the stove first and show you everything going on there. I have air fed in through tubes on each side for the air for combustion. I have a fireplace blower fan that I have mounted on some blocks here, and I have a 2-inch offset electrical connector that I can swivel to get the airflow just the way I want it. It has 2 speeds on the fan, but I just use low because that's all I need. When I get a hot fire, I can turn this on, and this makes it burn very efficient. That's all the way. But I usually burn it on low. And I'll just put this cover back on. Now let me show you the inside of the stove and all the working parts. Inside the whole stove is fiber all on the bottom. Got a magnetic catch here. Fire brick on the bottom. I have a heat shield in the back. These are the 2 pipes that feed the air in through the bottom. There's 16 holes on this side and on this side, so that's 32 holes for the bottom. And on the upper part where the pipe loops around, I have 30 holes on each side. So that's 32 holes in the bottom, 64 on the top. On the upper part I have a steel 1/4-inch plate. That's a reflective plate that makes the fire burn intense. And basically once the fire gets going, the air feeds the primary and the secondary air, and it's a roaring hot fire. I'll put the steel grate in now and get a fire started and see what this thing can do. Okay, let's light her up. I made a mistake back there. On the top there's 32 holes, not 30. So with 32 holes on each side, that makes 64. So we'll get the fire started, get a nice bed of coals in there, and then as soon as it gets up to about 400, we'll check it out and see how hot it burns. Alrighty. And the stove's warming up. It's doing pretty good. Another thing about the stove is I use furnace cement to seal around the edges of the bolt-on door and the burners on top to make it airtight. On the back, this is an open top 55-gallon drum. It worked out well for giving me room to put the steel plate through the back of it. So I have a bolt-on ring which is more secure than the clamp-on ones. And make sure you use a rope seal for the gasket in between there. So let's put some more wood on the fire and turn the blower on. Let's check out the fire now. It's burning pretty hot now. The air is blowing into the upper pipes and it's giving total combustion. All the gases are burning. If you burn this just right, you can get it to burn smokeless. It's really awesome. And my wife and I burn it about 3 or 4 hours every night, and it's enough to heat the whole house comfortably. So it's a great stove. Build one for yourself maybe and have a good time. Thanks.